Hello. In this video, I will talk about the biggest blessing of my life. Well, it's not a person, it's not a thing. It is my 9 years of chronic illness. So, how can illness be a blessing? Yes, you heard that right. Uh, yes, this illness is the biggest blessing for me, and I will share why. When I was 22 years old, just after completing my chartered accountancy, I took up the job, and I was only 2 months old in my first job. I was diagnosed with acute urticaria. It is like a condition wherein you get rashes on your skin, and doctors could not figure out the reason or the root cause of this disease. After a lot of after running from pillar to post, I don't know how many doctors I saw in India and abroad. I was told that this condition is a chronic condition, and I have to be on life support pill, which was basically it was supposed to suppress the allergy, and I could continue with my day-to-day work. While I was continuing my day-to-day activity, from my face nobody can you could even say that I had any chronic illness, because I looked fit. I did my marathon, I had my fitness training sessions, I was eating right, all of that was happening. But yes, I was having this chronic illness. Now, after a couple of years, I also gave up, because I really was helpless, that I did not know how to solve the situation. And firstly, I thought that people are popping blood pressure pill, thyroid pill, or diabetes, or I don't know what all lifestyle diseases we have. So like that, I also have one of this, and I pop this pill. I'm okay for the day, and my there is nothing that was bothering me per se. But after a couple of years, there was this wake up call from within, and I started exploring alternative therapies, and finally I figured a solution in Ayurvedic wisdom. But that was not end, because then also I was not aware of the root cause. While I got cured, I have mentioned in my blog, lessons from 9 years of chronic illness. I did not release the part 2 because of a reason. But anyway, you go and check out some of the lessons that I've shared in my blog on chronic illness. So when I got cured, I also took some time to reflect on what was going on, or what is that that I am still carrying, or something that I am holding in my body, which may manifest in some other form of disease, because how it got cured, why it got cured, how it happened at the first place, nothing was clear to me at all. And firstly, what is the point of me sharing this video with you? Why am I talking about this illness? Why am I talking about this illness? Because I see there is a growing concern, and this concern needs to be addressed. And what is the concern? The concern is reliance on medication. So there are 8.6 million species, and human being is one species, right? When all other species, when they go through some sickness or illness, they don't rush to hospital. They rely on creative intelligence of their body, which we have lost. How we have lost is thanks to our lifestyle, and the ever quest for chasing goals, materialism, spirituality, and all of that. All of this chase is leading to is making us less intuitive. Now, The growing concern today is that we are suppressing symptoms. When we have symptoms like fever, headache, indigestion, constipation, loose motions, what is that we are doing? We are taking some support of some pill, right? To suppress that, hey, I don't want fever. When fever is happening, that means the body is trying to fight within with the foreign matter. But we don't want that. We want a pill to give us instant relief. And that is one. Second, whenever there is any chronic illness like blood pressure, uric acid, thyroid, diabetes, and I don't know, many such conditions, people are, or maybe they feel helpless, but they are okay to consume or to survive on life support pill. That is too much. We think that we are getting day-to-day relief, but the consequence of these medicine is worse, and this is leading to even more dreadful diseases like cancer and cardiovascular diseases. So what can we do? There's another growing concern of supplements. Let's see who takes supplement. If you see the profile of people who are taking supplements are actually health conscious people. They want to be fit, they want to be healthy, and to compensate for that, they are taking supplements relying on vitamin B12, vitamin D, or calcium, or iron, folic acid, and stuff like that, because we want to be healthy. For our body, whether it is a chemical, medicine, any foreign matter, it is a foreign matter for the body. As we are ingesting, it will going to manifest in some other form. So if it is going to cause any problem in future, so what is that we can do about it, and how do we take care of these deficiencies? So first and foremost thing for this video, wake up. Just see if there is any symptom that you have, or are you suppressing any symptom, and what is the right way of dealing with these symptoms. Is it popping a pill or a remedy? Now the other part is relying on remedies. My grandmother's remedy, my mom's remedy. What remedy? If I have throat pain, let me make a kadha for my throat, add some ginger, turmeric, this, and again these remedies are suppressing the human body's creative intelligence. So wake up. If you have any symptom, do not suppress, do not feel that, hey, taking a pill is the only solution. And if you are keen in knowing about what you could really do about your health condition, go check out my blog and leave your comment there, and you can reach out to me in person in this video or in my blog. The idea of sharing this blessing with all of you is that I am going into this journey of health. I could go into this detail like why sickness happened, because I had suffered myself. Had I not suffered, I don't know, I would have continued with my existing lifestyle, and really I don't know, it could be some other form, it could manifest in some other form. So I am now more smart about it. I'm not saying that I will not get sickness. No, it is not that. Illness is not a problem. The problem is how we deal with that illness. And why I'm sharing this information right now, because I was waiting for the dust to settle down. In COVID times, we have, like most of us, we have seen that of course there is panic, but we have come across to cases wherein people got COVID by sitting at their homes, by not even having any exposure. And it is something that we should ask ourselves, that how people are contracting these diseases by sitting at home. what is that we have in our body that we are that some people are contracting these diseases, some people are not, and maybe we can call it like immunity, but immunity is the most abused term these days. Let's first understand how body heals, and that is the real science. The science is not popping a pill or checking blood tests or checking blood reports. We need to check our habits, not our body. All right. So if you are interested in curing any of your chronic illness or understanding your health condition, you feel helpless, I would suggest stop all remedies, stop all medicines. Just understand the basic principles of nature. Our body is nature, and there is a science and wisdom in understanding the principles. Thank you, and stay healthy, stay blessed.